Hello?
Hello. Hello,
Uh,
hello, Melinda.
Hi there, Candy. I missed you.
I feel very sorry because yesterday I went home to bed too late.
I'm sorry?
Um,
Louder?
want to say sorry to you because yesterday I went home, went back to home too late.
Okay. I went back home late.
I went
Why?
back home late.
Yes, why?
Uh,
What did you do?
because someone called my cell phone and he talked too long and let me delay to take my son. Yeah,
Okay, someone called you?
yeah. For the
Mm.
business. Yeah,
Alright. So that's about business.
yeah.
I see. Okay. I was worried. I thought something, you know, something happened.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
We
Okay.
live in Taiwan very safe.
I'm sorry. You said safe?
I say we live in Taiwan. Taiwan is a safety country.
A safe country.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Oh, you can say it this way. We live in a safe country. All right.
Live in a safe country. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Okay. Well,
Melinda, excuse me. May I have a question?
all right. Yes, you can ask me anything.
Do you will use cell phone?
I'm sorry.
Do you will use cell phone?
Am I using a cell phone
Yeah.
right now?
Yeah.
No, I am on my laptop.
Huh?
Why? Is there something wrong with my
Laptop. What is laptop?
a computer?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Mm,
A portable computer.
uh-huh.
Why are you asking? Is there something wrong?
Because I want to know, do you have used the line messenger?
Live Messenger.
Line messenger.
Ah, I am hearing I am hearing that. However, I am not using that. Actually, I don't have an idea how to use that.
Oh,
Yeah. Maybe we have that a different app in the Philippines. I mean, we use a different app,
uh-huh.
okay?
Oh, but it is very popular in Taiwan, Japan, and America.
Live Messenger.
Yeah,
Is it in Facebook?
line.
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 I see. Yeah, I know that, but I'm not using that.
Ah,
What? Because why? We Filipinos, what do you call this? Usually, usually use FB chat or what is that? Facebook
oh,
Messenger.
Facebook. Oh,
Yeah,
WeChat. Uh-huh.
yeah.
Oh, oh. Oh.
Facebook has its special app just like the Line app, okay?
Yeah.
So we are more comfortable using Facebook Messenger. Yes, maybe that's the reason why the Line Messenger did not click in the Philippines.
Oh.
Yeah. We prefer to use Facebook Messenger.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
Taiwanese like to use line messenger.
I'm sorry?
I say Taiwanese like to use line messenger.
But that is like Kakao Talk, right? Just like Kakao Talk. Are you familiar with that? Yeah. Korean people use that. Yes. Before.
Korean people use that. This week my husband go to Korea.
When?
This week.
This week your husband will go to Korea?
Yeah. Now he is in Korea and is in snow day.
It is snowing.
Very cold.
Alright. So you better say it in past tense form, Candy. My husband went to Korea.
My husband went to Korea.
Yeah. Before, when I taught Korean people, I have lots of Korean students who I talked with the use of Kakao. Alright?
I talk with
But in our case, I will ask the rules first. Okay? If we can, chat or talk if we can chat, if we can talk, or if we can add each other in that app. Okay? Because some companies have rules, okay? Some companies prohibit or what do you call this? Don't allow their teachers to talk to students using like those social media app. All right, so we better be careful. Okay?
Really?
Yeah. So some companies, they don't want the teachers and students talking in private. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
So,
I know.
yeah.
Okay.
So in our case, it's better if I will ask first, in case you want to have a private conversation with me sometimes, or just saying hi, hello, good morning, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, anyway, have you eaten dinner?
Yeah.
Okay, very nice. Alright, so Candy, the last topic that we discussed, as far as I remember, what was that? If you can still remember, what was the last activity that we did?
The telephone contact.
Yes, very good. We listened to audio files. Alright?
Yeah.
Okay. So, from the audio files, I'm not really sure if you can still remember the conversation. because it's very difficult. But I can see some answers here on our book. Maybe you answered it because it is impossible for me to answer these questions. Okay. Now please go to page 24.
24. Okay.
Okay, what can you see there? Can you see the dialogue?
Yeah.
Dialogue of A and B?
Yeah.
Okay. So it starts with, hello, could I speak
Yeah.
blank? Alright, so this is correct. Did you answer this?
Huh? Hello, could I speak to?
Did you answer this? Are you the one who answered this? Hello, could I speak to Andrea, please? The answer is, could I speak?
Could I?
Are you the one who answered that, Candy?
One more time, please.
Are you the one who answered that? No. Or did you answer did you answer the exercise? No.
No.
Alright, no worry. Don't worry. Okay. So that is the answer. Hello, could I speak to Andrea, please? Okay. Do you still remember the phone call that we listened to? No.
Yeah. I remember.
Oh, okay. So anyway, in that case, we can try to answer and fill in the blanks. All right? Okay. What about letter B? Look at letter B. There is a blank here. Can you answer that?
No.
No? Why? Would you like to listen again?
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's listen first, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
I'm gonna look for the audio file. And what we're going to do is that we will, pause and play, so that you would understand it. Okay? And that we will be able to answer the blanks. Alright, just give me a moment.
Okay.
Unit 1. Careers. Recording 1.1.
Can you hear that?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me prepare. By the way, while we are looking for the audio file, what are the functions of Moodle that you can remember?
3 model.
Yeah, we discussed 3 modals, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so what can you remember? What function? Or what?
Recording 1.2.
If you want to move
Asking make an offer, make a request, and
Okay, very
asking
good. A request,
asking-
very good, that is correct. What else?
make an offer, asking a request, make and
Okay,
asking ability
asking ability, request, what else?
and offer.
Offer,
Make an
very,
offer.
wow, good job. Okay, very good.
Lots of helpful advice here. Debbie, what do you think?
Alright, so that's not. That is the audio file that we're looking for. Let's try some more.
Recording 1.3.
1.3. 1.4.
I'm sorry, Candy?
Recording
Now
1.4.
Wait.
Ah.
Could I speak to Andrea, please?
Okay, that is the audio file.
Yeah.
Okay, while we are listening, please look at the activity. This one, I'm gonna highlight it. This one, okay?
Yeah.
Alright. And I'm gonna play and pause so you can be able to answer, alright? Let's start.
4.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Okay. Candy, did you hear the response? The response?
Not career.
Not clearly. Okay, let's play it again.
Recording 1.4.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at
Okay, did you get that?
I don't know.
One more time.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment.
Did you get that? Or because of the accent of the girl? Is the accent so difficult?
Yeah, I feel that it's difficult. It's difficult to identify what she said.
Okay, one more time. I will give you the answer and tell me if I'm correct.
Oh, I am afraid.
Tell me if I'm correct, okay? Listen again.
Okay.
Recording 1.4.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment.
Okay. Am I correct?
I'm afraid she is not in this moment.
She's not here
She is not here
at the moment.
at the moment.
Oh, alright. So look, the missing phrases, the missing phrase is I am afraid,
I'm afraid
right?
she's not here at the moment.
Okay. Number 1, look at the next sentence. So you would be able to catch it, okay? Can I blank?
Can I
Oh,
take a
there is
message?
actually an answer here. The answer is, can I take?
Take a message.
Alright, can I take? Now let's listen if it's correct, okay?
Okay.
Recording 1.4.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes.
Okay. So is it correct?
Yeah.
Alright. Can I take a message? Alright.
Can I take a message? Yes, Chris.
Yes, please. Let's listen again. Let's go back.
1.4.
Hello. Could I speak to Andrea, please?
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. This is Jacques from...
Okay.
Mm.
So, yes, please. Blank.
This is Jen. This is Jen Chris from
Insect.
Intech.
Alright, very good. This is your answer. Good job, Candy. This is Jacques from Intech.
Intech.
Okay. Let's continue.
I speak to Andrea, please.
I'm afraid she's not here at the moment. Can I take a message?
Yes, please. This is Jacques from Intech. Could you tell her I won't be able to make the training course on Saturday?
Alright.
Okay. Could you tell her I won't be able to attend?
Yes, very good. I won't be able to attend the training course on Saturday. Very good. Let's continue.
Can I take a message?
Yes, please. This is Jacques from Intech. Could you tell her I won't be able to make the training course on Saturday? She can call me back if there's a problem.
Okay. So let's have call.
She can call me back if there's a problem.
Alright, very good.
Message?
Yes, please. This is Jacques from Intech. Could you tell her I won't be able to make the training course on Saturday? She can call me back if there's a problem. I'm on 0191.
Okay. What's the number?
I'm on 019.
Alright. Let's delete number 11.
Yeah.
I'm sorry. I'm on. Let's continue.
498 0001.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
I guess we're finished. Okay, very good. Alright. So who is the caller?
Who is caller? John Cross. John Cross.
Who?
John Cross.
This is the caller, right?
Yeah.
Jax. That is read as Jax. Just this one. Jax. Okay. So yes. Okay. So Candy, he is a caller. Did he able to talk to Andrea?
No.
No. What happened to the conversation?
Andrea is not in the office.
Yes, not in the office at the moment. Okay, what did Jack do?
He left a message.
Very good. He left. He left
Left.
a message. Okay.
Left a message.
Yeah. Okay. So I guess you also do that. You leave messages whenever whenever you called someone, but the person is not available for you. I mean available to talk to you. You leave messages, right? Okay. Now give me let's try to practice, Candy. You like?
Okay.
Yes. I will be calling, say for example, I will be calling Devi. Devi, all right? I will be calling and looking for Devi, but Devi is not around, okay? And of course, you will answer my call, Candy.
Okay.
All right? So, you should assist me, and you should answer the phone. You should try to use telephone expressions, all right? Do you know how to use telephone expressions, Candy?
Cell phone expression.
Yes, like how to answer phone calls, what to say. Okay, anyway, let's practice, okay?
Okay.
All right. Ring, ring. Hello?
Hello.
Hello, this is Melinda from ABC Company. I'm looking for Devi of HR department.
Okay, let me press hold on and let me yes through your phone.
All right, thank you.
Okay. Now here hello, this is human resource department.
Resource,
And,
okay.
Resource department, and when do you want to speak with?
I'm actually looking for Devi.
Okay. I'm sorry. Debbie is not available at the moment.
Mm-hmm.
Can I take a message?
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. Well, thank you very much. May I know who am I speaking with? May I know your name again?
Okay. My name is Candice.
All right. So thank you, Candy. But I want to talk to her in private. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you very much. You have a wonderful day.
Thank you. You are calling. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay. So yeah, as simple as that. That is a very simple conversation. I just want to give you a tip, Candy. Whenever you are talking over the phone, always give your name and your company name.
Okay.
But especially if you are doing the phone call at work, okay, not at home. Okay, not at home. If you
What is not at home?
of course. All right. Whew, I'm out of breath. Alright. What I'm trying to say, Candy, is that whenever you're at work and making a telephone call, talking to someone over the phone, and you are at work, you should always say, "Hi, I'm Candy of ABC company," blah blah blah. But of course, at home, you don't have to do that. You don't have to say, "Hello, this is Candy working in blah 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 company." You don't have to say that because you are at home. Do you understand? Candy, do you get that? Or do you have, or
You say, usually when you have phone, you will say your name and the company name.
yes. Okay, here. To make it easy. When you are at work in the office, always say your name and company name. Okay? When you're at home, no need to say that. Alright?
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright. So, let's continue. Anyway, by the way, I'm sorry, you did it well. Very good example. Very good practice. Alright, so we have some languages here. Useful language.
Yeah.
Scroll down your book up to page 24. Can you see the useful language?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me, or please read, the useful language for making calls.
Could I speak to Lara's Thompson, please? Yeah. This is
Ernesto.
Ernesto Badia from KMB.
Okay.
I'm calling about blah blah blah. Could you tell him or her that I read? Or are you asking or her to call me back?
Okay, very good. What about for receiving calls?
Who's calling, please? Could you tell me what it's about? I'm pretty slow. Can you hold? I'm afraid there's no answer. Can I take a message?
Very good.
Pretty slow. Yeah. Very useful, but once we got the foreigner calling, sometimes we will become very nervous. So always we forget what should I say.
Okay. Well, what can I tell you? Why, Candy? Do you have a lot of foreign callers?
No, very few.
Very few, but it is also a good thing that you can practice talking in English over the phone, right? In that case, what I can suggest to you is that make lines or script.
Lines or scripts.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like prepared lines. Actually, you can copy what's in the book. Okay. Example, can I speak to Laurie Thompson, please? Yes, this is Ernesto Badia from KMV. I'm calling about blah blah blah. Okay, so you can do that, and of course, post it in what do you call this, in your office, or in your, how do you call your place in your office? How do you call your place, your cubicle? I mean the small space for you inside the office. You have your things, right? You have your table, you have your computer. So what how do you call that? Station, workstation.
My desk.
Oh, your desk.
Computer desk.
Yeah, I see. So if you have a copy or a script, you can paste it there, okay? Okay. In your desk. So whenever a foreigner called you, you have a prepared script, okay?
Okay. I have ever received a foreigner to call to our office, and I fear the man speak very too fast.
You received a call from a foreigner.
Yeah.
And
I speak to him, and then his question is he speaks too fast for me.
Okay, he speaks too fast.
Yeah.
Okay, in that case, the technique, all right, the technique with that is this. Listen. For example, Candy, you're talking with a person who speaks very fast. You can interrupt. Okay?
Interrupt.
Yeah. Yes. Ask questions. Like, excuse me, as far as I understand, you are asking about a hotel reservation. Am I right? All right. Yeah, that is a technique. Or sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Just to verify, you want to speak to Veronica. Is that correct? Am I right? Something like that. Okay? You can always ask and clarify. Right? You can say, excuse me, sir, just to clarify, or I'm sorry, sir, you're speaking too fast. Based on what you said, you want to talk to to our production manager. You can say that. All right. Okay. You can also say, yes, hello, sir. Just to clarify, or you can use that. Just to clarify, you are looking for Andrea of HR, from HR department. See the technique, Candy? Okay. Is that helpful?
Yeah, that's the time I catch the keywords, and I know he wants to ask the price quotation about the occupant. Yeah, he wants to know the price quotation. But this time I talked to him. I need to discuss with my boss, so I need to reply him with email. By email. Yeah. But I'm very nervous.
Okay. Always remember, Candy, it is better to ask than to assume or presume that you understand what he or she is talking about. All right? Okay, because if you will assume, there is a high tendency that there will be a misinformation. Okay? So, yes.
Yeah, that is very important.
Yeah, always clarify, confirm. Okay? All right. And I hope that that helps. Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, anyway, let's move on. Where are we now? Okay, so that's all for phoning or calling someone, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's have a case study. Can you scroll down your book? Page 26. Yeah, and tell me the title of our case study.
Case study. STUD1.
Yeah. What is the title? Fast track.
Fast track.
Okay. Can you read the background?
Fast track in
Inc. That is incorporated. Yes.
Fast track Inc. Based in Houston, U.S. Sells corporate training videos and management training courses. Fast track is looking for a new sales manager for its subsidiary in Warsaw, Poland. Fast track has the vacancy only inside the company, as it believes in offering career opportunities to its staff. The subsidiary recent sales results were poor. Sales revenue was 30% below target. The reason are sales
Representatives.
Representative.
No, representa. Representatives. Okay.
Are not and staff turnover is high.
Mm-hmm.
The previous manager had no clear stage for
Strategy.
developing strategy
One
for
more time.
developing sales in the area.
Okay, one more
Very
time.
few
Strategy.
sales
Candy.
strategy.
One more time. Strategy.
Strategy.
Okay, you got it. All right. Next one. Very.
Very few sales contracts were made.
Okay. All right. What about okay, no. Before we move on, what is the problem of fast track? What is happening? What happened?
This company many people go.
Okay. What do you mean go? Go away or coming in? Going away? Mm-hmm. All right. Let's finish the case study. What about a new appointment?
A new appointment. There are 3 candidates
Okay.
for the position. 3 candidates.
All right. So there are 3 candidates for the position, meaning to say there is a vacant position. Am I right? Candy? There is a yeah, there
Sorry.
because look, there are 3 candidates for the position. What is that position?
Position.
Yeah, what position?
Manager.
Alright, manager. So, meaning to say they don't have or they are looking for a sales manager, right? Okay, they will hire a new sales manager, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's continue. There are 3 candidates for the position.
They all already work for Festra, either in Boston or in Poland. Here is an extract from the job description for the position.
Yes, very good. What continue. The successful candidates will be
the successful candidates will be responsible for developing sales, achieving results, and increasing customer numbers. Managing the sales team so that it is more motivated.
Dynamic. Dynamic. Okay.
And effective.
Yes. Oh, don't laugh. You can perfect that, okay? We will practice. Dynamic,
Dynamic.
effective.
Effective.
Okay, next.
Next. He or she will be a natural leader.
Natural.
Natural leader.
Mhm. Continue.
Energetic.
Uh-huh.
Confident and outgoing.
Alright.
He or she will have strong sales ability.
Alright.
Organizational.
Organizational.
Oh my god.
Oh, don't worry.
Organizational.
Organizational.
Organizational. Organizational
Mhm.
and interpersonal skills.
Mhm.
A good
Academic. Academic.
academic. A good academic background and suitable experience.
I'm sorry, experience.
Numeracy skills
Numer-
and ability.
Numeracy.
Numeracy skills and ability to handle administration.
Uh-huh. Continue.
Linguistic ability.
I'm sorry, what is the last? Linguistic. Say it again.
Linguistic.
No, linguistic. Linguistic. One more time, please.
Linguistic.
One more time. Linguistic.
Linguistic.
Linguistic. Okay. Linguistic candidates. Okay. So, alright. Well, anyway, Candy, look at the words that highlighted in orange: organizational, dynamic. I'm gonna send you this to you, and on the next meeting we will practice. Okay, that would be your homework, to practice those words. Okay, all right.
Very new word. Very a lot of words to have to read.
Okay, for you, so you can visit www.dictionary.com
Okay.
to
Thank
check pronunciation. Okay.
Okay.
Alright.
History.
Yes. Okay, so again, that would be your homework. Now, our time is about to end. What else? You can you can continue reading the profile of the 3 candidates. Scroll down your book. We have 3 candidates here:
Yeah.
Barbara Zarmak, Thaddeus Vajda, and Eva Rainberger. Okay? Try to have an advanced reading, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So, for now, that would be all, Candy. Let's meet next time, okay?
Okay.
Alright. So don't forget your homework. The pronunciation. Word practice, okay? Okay. Thank you very much, Kenji. See you next time.
Thank you. See you next time.
Bye-bye.